YouTube's new AI tool are a game changer. Creators, AI is taking over, and guess what? YouTube just handed us 3 powerful AI tools to create content faster, smarter, and yes, to make money easier than ever before. If you have ever felt stuck or unsure about how to start creating on YouTube, this is your sign. Let me walk you through step by step. First AI tool launched by YouTube is photo to video AI tool. This tool turns your regular photo, yes, I mean your regular photo, the one sitting in your phone gallery, into animated YouTube short just with a single prompt. Guys, this is mind-blowing. Let me show you how to use it.
You can now transform your own photos into videos for your shorts using photo to video. In the shorts camera, tap add. Then choose which photo from your gallery you want to animate using photo to video. Then tap photo to video. Based on your photo, Gemini will suggest a set of prompts you can choose to transform your image. After selecting a prompt, your photo will be turned into a video based on that prompt. If you want a different output, you can tap try again and create a new clip. Or if you're happy with your results, tap next to finish up your short.
Oh, this feature is already live in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Other countries are still coming soon. As soon as I have access to it, I will jump right into it. Now let's go to the second YouTube AI tools update, generative effect. YouTube now lets you you can sketch an image and turn it to animated video short. This is a game changer, especially for kids that want to start creating content with ease. Guys, it doesn't stop there. You can also upload a selfie and turn it into something wild and fun, like swimming underwater, swimming with a look-alike, or floating in space. How cool is this? This is incredibly awesome. It is fast, free, and fun. Even a 7-year-old can use this creatively. Okay, guys, don't sleep on it. This takes us to number 3 AI update by YouTube. Now, this one is my favorite, AI Playground. This is an all-in-one creation lab inside YouTube Shorts. With AI Playground, do you know what you can do? You can generate full videos. You can create stunning background images. You can compose original music. You can also combine everything into one creative masterpiece. So guys, look at how YouTube is embracing AI, and you're still doubting if your AI content will be monetized. For emphasis, yes, it is monetizable if done creatively. So don't sleep on this at all. So let me show you how to go about it. To try it out, let's tap
AI Playground, a new way for you to discover and create with our generative tools. To access it, in the Shorts camera, tap the Create icon. In AI Playground, you'll have access to all our available generative creation tools in one place, alongside a stream of fresh inspiration to help spark your creativity. With AI Playground, you can create unique soundtracks, background images, videos, and more. Select any idea to begin transforming your imagination into fun, one-of-a-kind content.
The Playground gives you real examples, templates, and ideas to spark your creativity. But what about monetization? Now, I know what you are thinking. You may be asking, but aren't AI video getting demonetized? Here is the truth. No. YouTube's July 15 update didn't ban AI. They simply updated their terms from repetitive content to inauthentic content. And here is the proof. Right after that update, YouTube launched these AI tools themselves for creators like you and me. So why will YouTube give us these tools, then penalize us for using them? Exactly, they want us to use AI smartly, not spamming. What will get monetized? That is the creative original use of this AI tool is the big message. This is the best time to be a creator. You don't need expensive thing. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to be a pro editor. You just need an idea, and YouTube's AI tools will help you bring it to life. If you haven't explored Shorts yet, now is the time. If you have been scared of AI content, don't be. YouTube is clearly backing creators who innovate. Let me know in the comment which of these 3 features are you most excited to try. And if you missed my full story on how I monetize my AI faceless channel, in July amidst AI content saga. And click right to watch it now. I will see you in the next one. And remember, keep creating, keep growing, and keep showing up.